Haven't experienced the irritation of trying to boost my account, only see no improvement. If you have tested many strategies and still don't see the actual results, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share the technique that finally got me out of the down rules and can change your situation too. Let's go with me today, guys, on this video. Wait until you see the end to see the surprise and prepare for you guys. Stay with me through the whole video, it's worth it. So for this particular strategy, we come with two indicators, okay? But let's start with that. Right Nash candle and time frame in 15 seconds. All right, and for indicators, we're gonna use that one that you already know, that SUPERTREND and VORTEX. Okay, for SUPERTREND, we're gonna use 10 and 3 on this with that color, 2 on the picks, 14 on periods, and 2 for each other for that. Okay, so right, we're going to be using 1 minute trade time. So this is just all you need to know when trading using this particular strategy. Last start of that, $23. Alright guys, I think we're going to behave in a very good opportunity right in this particular level. As you can see, we have the consists of candlesticks right now in this particular right here. So right here, we're going to be entering the buy trade at its particular points. And if you go to right at this particular level, we'll have a consistency of the candlestick. We got a good sequence. And the next thing we saw right here is the bot trend. It's giving us signals by trading to the market. Another thing we always put into consideration is your vortex indicator. You can see two lines intersect with each other. That's the point. Not only that, the green line is just above the blue one. It's give us very good confirmation for us actually enter by trade. Hope we're getting it right? So the basic things you need to consider is that you need to see the consistent candlesticks. Not only that, guys, the super trend indicator should be to give your buy signal or selling one, okay? And have a few seconds for that. We got our first win, guys, for $4. And this is essential to know that is just one strategy. It could change our path in the markets. To go professional, massing the best of the most profitable when is necessary. Don't worry, do have prepared 2 exclusive results. That will be the video for that month. Okay, so right here we're seeing very good opportunity right here for a buy trade. Find a very good opportunity right here on that one. Green button. You can see the consistency of the candlestick right here and this particular point, guys. So what we're looking out of right here is a signal from support trend to give us a buying opportunity into the market before you can be able to play the trade. So we are going to be entering the buy trade, as I said. Okay, we just performed that, and you can see two lines intersect with each other. Here's actually giving us very good opportunity. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So the situation everybody see this kind of chops candlesticks, please not enter trade. You must be able to see strong consistency before that. Anytime you see this kind of chop candlesticks like as anytime you find just like this, please not enter trade. You must be able to see that, okay, intersect the super trend together. So we got the second one for $4, $5 in the total. All right. So guys, just pay attention in the vortex, okay, and the super trend. When you got the green, we got a uptrend. When you got the red one, we got a downtrend. So actually wait and see this. Let's go. All right, guys, I can see right here, guys, make a very good amount of money right here. We can use 1 minute or I can use 2 minutes. It's work pretty much well. All right. So for this one, immediately see the consistency of candlestick as well. And also see the signal from the super trend. It's a sell signal for our super trend. Confirm on trade entry. As I said in the previous one. Right here, our vortex indicator always intersect with each other. The blue line with the green line, it's above and gives us a very good opportunity to enter trades. Another thing is I advise you for those if you that want into the video, its particular levels, also for you to understand the trend is this case of sell trade. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. You must be looking out for basically downtrend opportunity. In this case of downtrend, you should be looking out for a sell opportunity. If you get just see the buy, it's a positive, right? Using this particular strategy and for basically know how to be able to identify the uptrend and downtrend on this. I should explain using particular level, guys, and look at this, $106 in the total. We got a win rate of 7 to 9%, okay? I wanted to try out these particular strategies, guys, and let's use in the comments section. Just need to pay attention in the super trend and vortex for this one, okay? You can see how they can probably use this particular strategies. So far, if you enjoyed this video and want to see the more of this kind of video, to ensure to subscribe to the channel, to ensure to hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and wish you good profit, guys. So act right now. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. See you.